Hello, I'm Sujata from CBSE NEET JEE Chemistry.in. In this video, we will learn to apply the various reactions that we have come across under the properties of phenol. You will see this question and its variations in many exams, and understanding this will give you a definite advantage. A compound of molecular formula C7H8O is insoluble in water and dilute sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate, but that means what does it imply? It does not react with sodium hydrogen carbonate but dissolves in dilute sodium hydroxide or interacts or reacts with sodium hydroxide solution. On treatment with bromine water, a precipitate, see, a tribromo precipitate is produced. Identify the compound. It doesn't look as easy as you may think, all right? It's not as easy as it may appear because you have to get a product with 3 bromines substituted on the ring. Now you notice that there are 7 carbon atoms, so it could be a benzene ring with an OH group, so it could be a phenolic compound. Benzene has got only 6 carbon atoms. This has got 7 carbon atoms. So the 7th carbon atom will be a methyl branch on the, or will be a methyl group attached to the benzene ring. So you have a benzene ring with an OH and a methyl. So what is a commercial name for these kind of alcohols where you have an OH and a methyl group on the benzene ring? Chrysols. Right? So you could have an orthochrysol where the OH and methyl are on adjacent carbon atoms, or you could have a metachrysol or a parachrysol. So which amongst the chrysols is the correct structure is dependent on the formation of this product. Let's proceed with the reactions. Now we have started with metachrysol for a simple reason that let's look into the reaction with bromine. The formula of the tribromo derivative, there are 3 bromines. Only when the OH and methyl are at meta positions with respect to one another can the bromines attack the 2, 4 and 6 positions. If the methyl group is at the ortho position, the bromine cannot get attached at this position. You get a dibromo derivative, right? You get and suppose the methyl is at the para position, you will again not get a bromine at this position. So since you have 3 bromos on the benzene ring, it has to be a metachrysol. Alright, because the position of attachment of the 3 bromines are on the 2 ortho and 1 para position. So only if the methyl is placed at the meta position will the 2 ortho and 1 para positions be free to be for the hydrogens on those positions to be substituted by bromine. That is how we arrive at the structure of the compound as a metachrysol. Alright, this is metachrysol. Okay, now, so you have the metachrysol. A phenolic compound is a weak acid and hence will not react with weak bases like sodium hydrogen carbonate. No production of bubbles of carbon dioxide gas is found compared to a carboxylic acid. It's a very weak acid. On the other hand, it will react with a strong base, sodium hydroxide, to give you the corresponding sodium phenoxide of metachrysol. Alright? The other reaction with bromine has already been discussed. Now this is a precipitate. Okay? So this is how we arrive at the structure of the starting compound. We have over 230 videos with in-depth explanation of concepts in an easy and lucid manner in our organic chemistry course. Moreover, we have close to 400 videos of solutions to every kind of question that can be asked in any exam. Click the link in our description below to check out our course. Subscribe to our channel to regularly get new content to help you score high marks in chemistry.